Now we talk about the depletion of water table. That means the level of this underground water goes deep into the earth. Why this is so? Why this is? What is the reason behind this depletion? So first thing is, depletion means when the water table may go down if the water is not sufficiently replenished. And if I ask you what is the reason why it goes down, the reason of this depletion is, first is increase in population, second is increase in agricultural and industrial activities, scanty rainfall, that means that amount of rainfall is reduced and thus it goes less in amount. Then deforestation, lesser trees are available, then the availability of water into the underground water is also very less. Decrease in soil area also for seepage of water. Everywhere we can find the construction, roads, buildings, so it's not available, it is not the availability of soil easily, so that the water where it goes cannot seeps through the roads, through those concrete cements. So it can seep into the underground water only through the soil. So since the availability of the soil area is very less, and thus the ground water is also decreasing. So one is the reason, as I've told you, increasing population. As the population increasing, the construction of buildings are also increasing, construction of industries is also there, which increases this covering of soil area, and the soil area is continuously decreasing, and thus the seepage is also less. When we talk about watering on soil ground and on stone ground and show seeping of water, if we water some water on soil, dry soil, you can observe that the soil immediately seeps or absorbs that water easily. So that is nothing but the seeping capacity of that soil. The one hand, we consume more water. First thing is, we are consuming more and more groundwater. At the second time, on the other, we are allowing lesser water to seep into the ground. That means we are taking out continuously the underground water, and we don't allow the water to seep into the ground. So both ways we actually are depleting this water table. So this is how the water table is continuously decreasing. Another reason for depletion is industries have been increasing. So amount of industries, number of industries have been increasing, and again the industrial areas, increasing industries lowers the soil area, finally lowers the seepage area. So water is used by all the industries. We know that lot of water has been consumed in the industries. Almost everything that we use that needs water somewhere in its production process. You open any of the industry, you need lot of water, water consumption is more. So water used by most of the industries is actually drawn from the ground, and thus the scarcity of water is definite. And this is again one of the reasons for this depletion of water table. Similarly, agricultural activities, the majority of farmers in India, actually they depend on the rains for irrigating their crops. Farmers use this groundwater for irrigation due to erratic rainfall. Since rainfall is not so continuous, not so regular, and thus they have to depend on this groundwater. And now nowadays the population pressure is there. Because of increase in population, there is a lot of pressure on agriculture, which forces more of agricultural activities and thus consuming large amount of groundwater, and that is one of the reason for the depletion of water table. Now we talk about the distribution of water, and if I ask you, is the distribution of water available on the earth is same on all the regions of earth? Is it so? That means every part of earth is having equal amount of water? No. The rainfall amount is different, the water table is different, the groundwater depth is different. So distribution of water on different regions of earth is also different. Let us discuss about this topic. So India is a vast country, and we know that the rainfall is not same everywhere. It is different. Somewhere we can find that floods are always there, somewhere we can find that the drought is there. That means the scarcity of water, there is no water, and you can see such images where there is a high scarcity of water, and everywhere you can see this drought. And when there is lot of water and flood is there, that is also natural calamity. So from these two images we can see that India has different amount of rainfall everywhere. That means all different regions of India have not the same rainfall, same amount of rain everywhere. So somewhere we are having more rainfall, and somewhere we can say that the rainfall amount is very less. Yes, there are certain regions where there is moderate rainfall also.